Odisha has stepped up vigilance following the detection of Nipah virus infection cases in the neighbouring state of West Bengal, triggering concern across the region. In response to the development, a high-level meeting of the State Health Department was held at Lok Seva Bhavan in Bhubaneswar on Friday. The meeting was attended by Health Minister Mukesh Mahaling, the Health Secretary and several senior officials. Addressing the situation, the Health Minister urged people not to panic and assured that the government is closely monitoring the situation. He stated that a technical team has been constituted and surveillance has been intensified across the state. Special surveillance measures have been strengthened in districts bordering West Bengal as well as in major cities of Odisha. The Health Minister further clarified that no Nipah virus case has been detected in Odisha so far. However, he assured that the state government is fully prepared to deal with the situation if any case is reported in the future.
देखो निपा भाइरस वेस्ट बेंगल जो केस डिटेक्ट है आम स्टेट भी प्रिकसनरी मेजर्स तथा सर्विलेंस आम गोटे आमर हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट समस्त बसला विशेषकर आमर आज सकाଳେ गोटे टेक्निकल कमिटीर बैठक बसला आउटकम है जे आम आमर जो बोर्डरिंग जिला गुड़ा अच्छी विशेषकर बालेश्वर और यहाँ वेस्ट बेंगल एथिरे आम सर्विलेंस पूरा राज्य एवं एठी ए जिला गुड़ा सर्विलेंस टिके बढ़ाई दिखाई एवं से भलिया केस जदि भी आसीबो ताकू आमे सरकार तरफ कौन पदक्षेप नि एवं एबे से भलिया केस सारा भारत वर्ष तो किसी आसी ना वेस्ट बेंगल 2टा केस डिटेक्ट होती तो विशेष मु आपण माध्यम जनसाधारण को अनुरोध करी जे आपण माने विशेष भाव में व्यतिव्यस्त हबार ना कि पैनिक हबार ना।